Sather. This is a demonstration of how to run Flowgorithm from a virtual machine and how to actually run Flowgorithm, save your files, and then upload your files to a Blackboard. And we're going to go over here and we're going to share screen 2. We'll do all our work over here on screen 2. And the first thing we're going to want to do is install virtual machine VDI, GNTC VDI. And to get that information, you just simply type GNTC.VDI and it'll give you information about how to do the install. Okay. The short version of that is type in labpc.gntc.edu. labpc.gntc.edu is the student version. I try to run and it says, nope, we're not going to let you go, Dr. Bob. You're not a student. So what I have to do is I have to go to staff.pc.gntc.edu and launch from that position. And then that will let me go ahead and use my GNTC password and my Okta type stuff. And will get me connected into VMware. And here we are off campus. It's a Windows 11 virtual machine. When I launch that, it goes out and installs a fresh copy of Windows for me up in the cloud, up in the virtual machine area. So here it's installing Windows. It only takes a few seconds, okay, to get all of the things set up in the profile set up with everything correct, just like you're installing Windows for the first time. And when she's done, she'll come back and I'll have a Windows screen looking at me. Hopefully. Let's see what happens here. Take a few minutes. Actually, it doesn't. Only takes about a minute. Almost there. There we go. Here we have a fresh copy of Windows 11 running on virtual machine. Okay. So we're going to take that and we're going to go to the Edge program right here inside the virtual machine, get the Edge program from that, and type in gntc.blackboard.com. Log into Blackboard from the virtual machine. Log into Blackboard. Of course, you have to do your standard Blackboard login stuff. Most of your time with this thing's going to be spent logging in and out. There's a password. And I'm not going to save the password or anything like that. I'm going to go to Blackboard. And here in Blackboard, I'm going to find 1305, my class, 1305. Under 1305, we're having resources. Under resources, there's a couple Flowgorithm downloads. One is for desktop Flowgorithm. This one, if you're installing it on your computer, this is the one for VMware. They are different. So go ahead and download the VMware version. Open the file. Go ahead and do an extract. I usually just go ahead and do my extracts right in the download area. Doesn't matter where you put them because it's going to go away when we're done here anyway. In other words, the next time I come into VMware, that download's no longer going to be there. So I've done the extract. There's my Flowgorithm program ready to work. I run my Flowgorithm program. Okay. There's my file. We're going to do a little test file. We're going to do hello world. Do an output command here. Hello world. Save it. Where am I going to save it? I can put it in documents. I usually keep things organized. Put it in downloads. Go ahead and save it under my Flowgorithm directory. hello world is my FPRG file, my Flowgorithm file. And now that's it. Now I need to get that file up into my assignment, to my class. So let's say we're in lab 7. I come over here to lab 7, and I'll need to do this as a student. Otherwise, they won't let me as an instructor upload an assignment. But if I set my preview to say this is a student mode, so you can see how a student would do this, this is the student mode. So student mode will come down here to lab 7. Lab 7. And here we're ready to get the student mode for the install. And here, I've already got, let me trash that. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab my install for the attachment. And then come look for, under downloads, there's Hello World. Open it. And it does the install. Back up to my lab. There, I'm ready to go. Close the, submit the lab. And we're done. Okay, and we're done. Now, once we've submitted it, let me see if I can get rid of this little thing here. I'm not sure what that is. Once I've submitted it, if I have to go back and get it, okay, as a student, I can go back and list that lab and get that information. Or I can move it someplace else. But I've got Flowgorithm, I've run Flowgorithm, I've created a file, I've uploaded it back to CIST 1305. Then I can shut the whole machine down. There's that. I can come over here and log off. Shut the whole machine down. And that Flowgorithm file will be under the Blackboard courseware for 1305. Just turn all that off. That's it. Real simple. Okay. So I'm going to put this up on YouTube. So you can look at it without having to go in the system. And we'll put this up on YouTube and send out an announcement. Thanks for watching. Bye now.